video we'll be seeing how to make a paper robot. So this is a very easy way of making a paper robot and it is useful too. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking pink. You guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper diagonally on both the sides. So I'm folding it on one side and I'm opening it and folding it on the opposite side. Now we have to fold all the sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So after we complete this, we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we're supposed to repeat the previous step again. We have to fold all the paper to the middle line. So these are the steps for the fortune teller. Most of the steps are same, but some steps are different. So next, we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side again and we're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle line one more time. Like this. So we have to do this slowly because we have to be careful because the paper is getting smaller and smaller. So now after we complete this, we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side and we have to keep our hands inside the small opening here. So we have to be careful with this and we're supposed to keep our hands on the opposite opening as well like this, and we're supposed to fold it on the top. So we have to keep our hands like this and then we have to fold it into a rectangle like this. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side. So I'm repeating the same step. So we should only do this on the two sides. We should not do it on all the four sides. So I'm folding it. So now I've completed folding. So now we just have to keep our hands on the other two sides and we have to just push it. So after you push it, we'll get a structure like this. So now we're supposed to turn the paper to the opposite side like this and we're supposed to fold these sides back in. So we're having a structure like this. So now we're just supposed to fold two sides of the paper like this and we're supposed to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So we have to fold the paper like this. So now after we complete this, we have to take the paper from the bottom part like this to make a rectangle. Then we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. So after we get a structure like this, we're supposed to fold the paper down. So now we'll be having a structure like this. So we have to make another one like this in the same way. So we'll have two structures like this now. So now I'm just going to take one of the paper and I'm just going to take the top part and I'm going to fold it to the bottom. So now I'm taking this part and folding it backwards. So now we'll have a bottom like structure like this. Now we just have to take the yellow part that we made and we have to pierce our hands inside there and we have to push this part underneath this. So this pink part should go below this one. So first for this, I'm just going to apply some glue because it will go in, but sometimes it may come off. So I'm just going to apply some glue on it and I'm going to stick this inside. So I'm pushing the part in. Like this. So we have to do it slowly. Then we'll have the front part of the robot like this. So now the next step is that we're supposed to cut out a white circle. I already cut this out. You guys can cut this and I'm just going to take two googly eyes. You guys can use a black pen as well and you can draw eyes. But I felt that if we stick googly eyes it will be more beautiful. So I'm using them and I'm just sticking them onto the robot like this. So after we stick this, I'm just taking a black pen and I'm just going to draw a mouth. So I'm just drawing a rectangle and I'm filling in the rectangle by drawing a few lines. So after we complete this, I'm applying some glue on the neck part of the robot here and I'm sticking this circle on top. So after we complete this, our paper robot is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!